Lackland the Luigi's Mansion 2001 Master, Presents. Miss M wakes her mom up with an air horn / grounded. And it was inspired by Krakow Fanatic 2022, and Shamsundar 1997.
Man, I cannot believe that I got grounded for stealing a MacBook from the Apple Store. I wish I could get revenge on my parents, but how? I got it. I'm going to wake my mom up with an air horn. Ha 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 ha. Great, she's asleep. Now it's my chance to wake her up with an air horn.
What the? Miss M, what are you doing in my room, and why do you have an air horn? Explain yourself, young lady.
I got you so good, I woke you up during your nap.
Oh, G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Roar. Oh, my freaking God. Miss freaking idiot moron retarded bald ass mother waking him. How freaking dare you wake me up with an air horn? You know that you are not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 72 weeks. Go to your room, right now, and I will tell your father about this when he gets home.
Wow.